Do you find yourself haunted by past decisions or actions that you now consider mistakes? Are you lonely and find yourself mistrustful of others? Do you get out of bed with a sense of dread for what the day might bring? With this course, you will understand and experience finding inexplicable joy in the present moment. Strengthen your self-identity by changing your belief systems and breaking free of past and future anxieties. We cannot act in the past or in the future. We can only act in the present. The only point of power to create and change our lives is in the present moment.